Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Good afternoon to ever conscious Nigerian people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Usazos Wooding, the Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO, Stan Lusadi Enterprise, and the C of Old Man, Edo State. Today, we don't want to speak English. We want to come as it the pain us for mind. As we speak today, for our state, youth are killing themselves seriously in the name of courtesan. Some persons go say, "It not concern me. After all, I not join. It not concern." As they never kill you, God forbid bad thing. They never kill any of your person within near you. They make you not know the negative scourge of courtesan in our society. We must collectively put an end to this menace. If you say nothing they happen and you're normal thing, let me tell you, very soon you will not have capable personnel and manpower in the Edo State. You will deprive so many women opportunity to get married in peace. Please share this video. Young men and women will be running away. Young men will be running away from Edo State because courtesan-related death has become the order of the day. As we speak today, people now they will carry weapon. We see the social media. They will carry weapon. They say, "Will they find this one? Will they find this one?" They are not paying you for killing. You are not getting any benefit from killing, but you are busy killing people. Now let me tell you the simple truth. You feel the thing say you the rain, you will do the killing. You are not raining. You are not raining. You are only destroying yourself and your future. Now let's take an example. When you carry a gun, you shot at a daughter, you shot at an engineer. When you kill one daughter, you have succeeded in killing over 4,000-5,000 persons, because that doctor will come back to treat people. If such a doctor is deprived of his ability to take care of citizens, sick people, what have you achieved? You have succeeded in destroying the society gradually. Now, as of this afternoon, I posted a video before. We went to a home meeting with one of our associates for India and some of others for America and Canada. We've had a meeting again today. This is the time for us to act now. This is the time for us to act now. Not to can say, I'm not be me. I put on any of my brother. Who can us for what you're making an act? Now, we get so many strategies to adopt in addressing this problem. We wish that when our robust proposal in respect to these actions is out, the state government and the people of Edo State will unanimously support in ensuring that we curb this menace in totality. Now, if you look at society today, boys now they look each other like animal. If woman not cause yawa, no sense thing will not reach anything will cause yawa. You see that they look themselves like dog. Nobody wants bring himself down. Nobody wants to come down. Everybody wants to say now they be the king of Jackie Chan. Are they paying you in killing people? Are they paying you in killing people? Are they paying you? So this one don't turn to everybody. I tell you now the truth. Statistically, there is a Boko Haram. The number of killings recorded in Edo is higher than Northeast. It is the truth. And if you think government alone can do it, you are making a very big mistake. Government can only partner. Every citizen, all hands must be on deck. But I know if peradventure our proposal is approved, it's going to be reduced to the barest minimum. And again, government must be ready to explore political will, because as we speak, many people and many of these courts itself, they inside government sometimes. Except if we now want make the citizens continue to die, if we now want make courts continue to kill each other, now we not go talk true. But if we not say we not say don't tire, we not want make peace. This we are Bonge Edo State. We must say the truth as it is. We must say the truth as it is. Let us not shy away from this truth. Let us not shy away from this truth. The truth shall set us all free. If you see the way to the you just so they fear not. I want to tell you something now. Over 90% of those in the diaspora we want to come and do fear not let them come. Not be say anything they happen. No. Court is not true. It is true. Say they know themselves. They defy themselves fine, but not say because they defy themselves. You want just as in on our own. More could just leave them. May they defy themselves. They go no. You can't just say because they are fighting themselves. We want your rest. We want chill. More could not talk after all. Any of my brother not join. Me I not join. Any of my sister not join. No. It is hard time for us all to come out and to stop it. I received a call yesterday from our brothers in the diaspora groups. So very many. So many, very many of them we discussed extensively, and they want to make sure they themselves involved in addressing this particular problem. Somebody asked me a question. My most respected General F.V. Sagaria said, do you think that courtesan will be a thing of the past in Edo State? For it to be a thing of the past, the government must first scrutinize their institution. Yes, man, it is also true that if you say make you use a hard level on all these people, now virtually all of those citizens, virtually all of those citizens, now few for boys you will see say no they court, very few. So if you say you want to use the high-handedness immediately, it go affect many of them. Are you getting the point? But the truth of the matter is very clear. There must be an ultimatum given. The truth is, I don't want to go in details because the solution is already the ground. All we are waiting for is for things to be done rightly. We know what to do because as we speak right now, if we not arrest this situation, the youth will continue to finish themselves, and it will go a long way. It will go a long way to reduce the developmental strife of Edo State. Nowhere in the world can develop in an atmosphere of tension and hula baloo. Before you can have a developed situation, you must have a salubrious and a peaceful environment. And that is why we must first of all look for a way to ensure absolute peace in the state before we begin to think of how we can be able to channel positive development. I come from survey work. That was on Washington Day of New Year. As we come say we pass through we went enter Plymouth road. From Plymouth, you get road to Ogida and road to Ekewaru. When they come from Ekewaru, we went enter Plymouth road. As one you have see boys, people they run. They bring one carry Sienna bus. Sienna, they want attack. They don't really flash themselves. That's why we take move. Use more to face Ogida. Ogida women know they go. all in a bid to make sure say we surpass that situation, make we not go be victim. So this thing is a problem. This thing is a problem. If you just say that, you see, it is a big problem, and we need to act collectively to stop it. One woman called me one day from John. She did cry. Her only son, they kill her. Her only son. That woman is suffering abroad because of the son. And the woman lost the son now. That woman, she can never be happy again in her life. Her only son killed. God forbid, but imagine saying that your only son, the thing happened to. How will you feel? So it is hard time for parents. The family must start it first. Because many of them don't fit to their children again. Small pikin go this house. You not get you for the work. Weapon will go this side your house. Go be like you want to go fight Biafra war. Why on earth would they be allowed to have such weapons in their house? So government should be ready. Government must be ready to deploy full will. The full will. And these people, perpetrators who refuse, after the ultimatum given to them, who refuse to yield, will be made to face the full wrath of the law. The full and complete wrath of the law. Don't bend it to say, hey, this one our boy, they work for. No. If it is also Hudogoni that is found wanting, I should be able to face it. Are we not tired losing capable personnel and manpower in our contemporary society every day? Are we not tired? Are we not tired? You can never see a peaceful situation. You see that they'll say war there. This one say they get war. Are you a soldier? Which war are you fighting? War where they don't pay you anything. Unnecessary war. You carrying weapon, a game of life, be counting human being 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. What are they paying you? Even if they are paying you, say, are you supposed to be collecting money to be killing people? 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 5, 5, 2, 10. Human being. Are you not tired? It is time for us all to come out to act. Now, yes, it is somebody say cultism cannot stop in the do. Yes, it is true. There is cultism across the state. Excuse me. There's cultism across the 36 states of Nigeria. Every of the institutions have cultism. Ask yourself a simple question: why don't we different? The reason is this: we need mindset re-engineering. Even if you cannot say somebody that have joined, you have wiped him not to become member in totality. But we should be able to stop the fraternizing. We should be able to stop the synergy between these groups of persons, and we should be able to. Let me not begin to divulge some key strategy, but I know that we have a way of stopping the inflow, and we have a way of stopping the recruitment. By the power of God Almighty, today we had a robust meeting. We were only two persons that are black in this discussion. One from Lagos, who happens to be my ally, and the rest are from the United States and India. We are going to adopt a carrot and stick approach. A carrot and stick approach. Yes, Confra has not come. Somebody say Confra has come to stay in the do. There's nothing anyone can do about it. No, there's something we can do about it. Or are you happy with the killings? What is the benefit of killing your brother? What is the benefit of killing your brother? I can as well say, in not concern me, say, after all, I am moving freely. I'm not a member of any occultic organization. But I cannot say because I'm not a member of any occultic organization, I will say, let me just keep coming. Let me still quickly tell you this. Jealousy is added to cultism. There are some people who knew quite well that you are not a cultist. They know. But maybe they might be envious of you. They will say, shit. What does say, use opportunity to get this guy down. When they don't get enough, they'll say, they don't know it was a mistaken identity. Oh, don't go. So if you think, say, it not they affect you, it's affecting everybody. Even if you think it has come to stay, let us tell cultism that you have no place here in Edo. It is getting too much. It's getting way out of hand. It is getting too much. As of today, you see youth for street, you don't know the one will be a man or your man. Yes, someone say, Baba Oz say, my guy, if you don't meet with the coordinator of Izun to pinpoint the bad eggs out, nothing. In fact, the coordinator himself, nobody who recognize coordinators, no coordinators head on whose head. If we are giving recognition to them, it will continue. My brother, everybody should be given equal opportunity. The ultimatum set by government will be there. All we want is we will submit our proposal formally. We are going to submit it formally. And let's see what the government will do in respect to our proposal. Because this is the time for us all to come out with an idea on how to build a better Edo State. If we have a peaceful and a salubrious environment in Edo State, believe you me, development will strive. I told you all in the initial stage of this discussion that I received a call with an organization in diaspora. And we have already agreed they were going to hold a Zoom meeting. In fact, well, the Zoom meeting will comprise different stakeholders in the state. Diasporans, Edo-lite stakeholders in Edo, and many more will be incorporated into the scheme of things. You have activists will be part of it, lawyer will be part of it, politician will be part of it. Every of these various sectors will be part of it, and we'll hold a comprehensive. Let us just keep that calm. And when the time comes, I believe this problem will be addressed. Don't fold your hands. Don't say, it don't come, it don't come. No, no problem that cannot be solved. If you separate these various cultists, individual on individual basis, ask them, they will tell you, oh God, we don't tire for this matter. But when they are in group, you see them shouting, I will never regret to be, I will never regret to be. In their mind, they are regretting. But they want to sing that to the new person who is not a party to it, to say, hi, man, this is the sweet too. This is the sweet too. So I think if you meet them individually, they will tell you, I'm tired. Now, so what we need to be checking is what motivates them when they now comes together as a team. That's what we need to be checking. Sorry, Prince Wisdom Olai, you say you called me yesterday and I said I will call you back. Sir, please, very sorry. You have to call me again, sir, please. Very sorry, sir, for not reciprocating that call. Now, somebody say, Edo Bini Igile, he say, I am not happy with the killing, but how do you cleanse a society where 98% of youth are black, blue, green? Yes, don't just worry. It will be, they will be cleansing. Now, let me tell you the truth. Somebody can be a member of an organization, but is no longer acting. So you cannot tell them to vomit what they've eaten, but at least to some extent, it's going to be reduced to the barest minimum. That I can assure you. Yes. Baba OZ, your information is vital. I think we have to incorporate you into some of our discussions, private discussions. Let's see how we can be able to put an end to this menace. It is the truth. It is the truth. Both who the key and who the key, who they found the one key, all of them, they say they self knows what they do no good. But the truth is say that the fear make it be say the next man not come kill them too. So they believe say on their own, they get right and responsibility to defend themselves as well. So please and please, the thing not too much for we Ogbonge State. It is time for us to act. Somebody when I do the invitation, say join me live by 2. Somebody writes, I better leave them when they kill themselves. No, not leave them. If they kill themselves, very soon you go hospital, you know get doctor. Very soon you go repair, you want to go do engineering work, you know get engineer. Because I never see where cultists kill that cultist. You must be a promising young man before they will go fire you. I never see dirty boy. Sorry to say, nobody's a dirty boy. I'm just setting an example. I never see where it's a person where they know say he not get any use. Where they go shoot, and don't they go shoot them. Then they go to look for. They'll say this one a big me too. This one get level. They want to bring down. So if you continue to bring the ones who get level down for your society, what do you expect your society to be in the next 100 years? A man do aeroplane. Now members of so-called group. Because if you're another called group now, you carry weapon, you go shoot and play. Yeah. You say I go do it. They use the aeroplane way you do. They go the give credit to the other called group. I want not get credit. So more cut and come on. Now if you call that guy come on, the question is, have you not deprived the whole entire Edo state from having an aeroplane producing department? Somebody say, Akim said that the key anyone, small or big. This one you talk now when the war don't start. When they want start war, that they use as in promising person. Not be all this backyard court where they do for go school. When you go see what they go on for school, for campus. Or let's say federal school, no matter the court hot reach, they don't want to talk and come on. Don't they tell you say na start break. Those who see the students for Uchipuli. When work will happen, they'll tell you when they say it's not too hot, they know how many news, but they'll say we have decided to give students Easter break, 5 days break. They want to give them so break to return back in 5 days time. Because they knew, say the school don't hot. So this thing a problem to everybody, not be to one man, to the whole world, to all of us. It's a problem. Now, we are not saying courtesan will stop. Get it clearly. It is going to be, the courtesan is everywhere. Courtesan is not peculiar to normal youth court. Courtesan as well join both of those head down with the year of Uboni, Asopika, and many of them. What we are saying is this broad daylight, night, carrying weapons here and there to begin to shoot people. It's not fair. Are you telling me that cannot be stopped? The Commissioner of Police should be up and doing on his own. The Commissioner of Police should be up and doing. They should mop up arms in this thing. Many things they will go do. Many things they will go do. We get this idea on how to address them. I just pray by the power of God, when the proposal is over, they're going to send it to me. The one in America will send to the one in India. That will reconcile. Then they will send it to me. Then I'll officially submit it. Then you just watch and see. Somebody said if the government is serious, they should apply death penalty, period. Yes, you cannot apply death penalty for now. You cannot adopt death penalty for now. There must be an ultimatum given, a period of 6 months, a period of 1 year. Then anybody who fails to desist from it should be made to face the full wrath of the law. And when you are doing that, there must be an incentive attached to the system. Not to worry, the strategy is purely on ground. The strategy is purely on ground. And I want to thank those from those in the diaspora who called yesterday, and we are planning to hold our meetings. When we hold our meeting, I believe we're going to share more ideas. And I'm happy that Edo people are now coming out to say, let's put an end to this. Let's put an end to this. And after that, you know, many of them, when you ask them, they say, I get my renunciation paper, your renunciation paper. But you said you have renounced. You are still busy attending meetings from one location to another, drinking beer from one location to another, discussing about the next to be shot. At least to some extent. To some extent, it's the time for us to act. You just see youth go carry gun. Well, I know the video there everywhere now. The video there everywhere. As when they talk now, as we discuss now, the war continues. Not be say it does subside. The war continues. Fear not the people. There was a guy, I gave him a job to do. Fear not let the guy go do the job. He the same people here and there. Because he's afraid say if they do the job, where they do it, somebody don't know where person for no, they'll come meet her. They'll feel your shoot up. Some people they will be say they will get business Because for occultic activity, if you don't let them go, do they wrong. Now, and you expect us to continue like this? If you continue like this, in the next 50 years, Edo will be backward. Believe me. Even if you build all the infrastructure where this world, you build that for Edo, the state will be backward. Because, now let's not children you see for street. All those that are supposed to, the elderlies and the rest, they will kill themselves finish. You know, they see grown-up people again for Edo. So do not see it as a joke. It isn't a joke. It is a big problem that we must collectively stop. We must put an end to it. It's not a joke. So now this one, same we could discuss today. We already have this plan on ground. And I know that at the end of the day, if our proposal sees the light of the day, believe. Except if the will is not there to act. If the will is there, forget it. Not be human being there. Then in my school, when we were still in school, Aconite, they formed Aconite for occultic group for school. Aconite bring cultism down to the barest minimum. Acon. It's not be later when they call misuse Acon. That Acon alone, if you form that kind of Acon for street, zone by not be everything with the talk, make proposal. Bros will go, they will crack everything down. Come on, Bakassi people with their pre-com. Come up, everywhere not come. But this time not be only, it mustn't be full action. It's going to be carrot and stick. If you fail to accept the carrot, you'll be wiped with the stick. So that's the point. I want to read some comments so that we can respond appropriately. Akim says some people in abroad send them money to buy bullets. You are very right. I totally agree with you. Please click on your share button, share your button. Click on your share button. Let's start with the enlightenment. First, click on your share if you have not shared, please. It is pain. Let me just. Okay. Where are the youth? Where are the youth? So-called cultists getting their weapon from. We need to check the organs on top. Those. See, let me tell you the truth. This is from Miss Ogiame, Authority 2. The things don't tire me. These youth have some adults who are aiding them. There are no problems that cannot be solved. We need to crack down the adult. I mean, their sponsors first. Yes, I totally agree with you. As we speak, the number of guns that is with many of these youths in Edo State is enough to destabilize the whole of West Africa. Believe. It is enough to destabilize the whole of West Africa. Say some of the perpetrators are not Edo indigenous brother and Edo people. Just stop hitting. No, nobody is. Listen, if anything happens in Edo, even if it is done by any other person, it is considered as an Edo product. So we must check it first. If you not give right where they are sanitated, where they are say everywhere good, come and eat here. So it is our responsibility to stop it. Let us not blame any outsider. Let's blame ourselves for allowing the situation to degenerate up to this level. Say Victor Agbontan say, we that lives in abroad, when we see this, we don't want to come back home. You are very right, my brother, but cultism, they know themselves in a way. But all we need now is to see how we can build it. And if you choose not to come back home, it will not help. Because if you like man will run leave, if you like man will run leave in your own shadow. So if the problem will still be there. You not get how you will stay abroad rich for life. We use anticitators. You even say you choose not to come to Nigeria again, you cannot forget your home. So you see that your village, you cannot forget. Even if you not come, one day must see flat say, see where for come. Nobody destroy his or her road title. So that is why we must collectively put our hands together to address this problem. Please, if you have not shared, click your share button. 218 persons watching at a time. And if you click on the share, if you click on your share, at least 218 shares, this video will go viral. He said, Edo girls have no boyfriend again because of court killings. He said, Edo girls have no boyfriend again because of court killing. That's true. Many, thank God said some of them never even married. They for don't turn into widow. Yes, I agree with you, gracious Oluwa. He said, to curtail the menace is very easy, but people don't want to do the needful until the untouchable is being touched. That is the problem affecting Nigeria. But if it never happened to big man picking, they will live and say maybe poor children made they kill themselves to go. But once it don't happen to their own baka, they will run come and say, let's look for a solution. That time I wake up and say, no, leave and me continue. That's the truth. Let me check. Gracious Oluwa say one group is the major problem. I don't want to narrow it to any group. We are talking to the whole cultist. Whether you are a problem, you know, as far as you are a cultist and you belong to any occultic organization, you are a threat to the state. Somebody say, what is the role of the Oba of Benin? I think I'm not in the best position to answer that. The palace have a way of addressing their issues. And our father knows what to do in respect to that, so I don't want to talk to that area. Say, yes, I agree with you, bro. How can we help to stop all this? Yes, and that's what I said, Mr. Victor Abutan. We already have a strategy and we are waiting for, we are putting it together so that we'll submit it officially to His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki for approval. Okay? So, this is it. Not to say, not concern me. Not to say, not concern you. This one say, Osifu Sasorian Road, Benin Abraka Road is very bad. We need help for the road. I beg, make una help us. Tell Obaseki. Okay, God, he don't even hear you already. God bless you, sir. Thank you. It's really painful because it has eaten deep in the system. Well, we will need to look for the way out. Absolutely. I totally agree with you, Stanley Nusa. God bless you, Prince Austin Roland. Yes, so that is what we need to do right now. We need to do it right now. The time to act is now. You carry Dego break. You carry class. Don Baba to Neru. Yes, it's Stanley, but things spoil, sha. Make we talk to. That's the truth. Things spoil. That's just the truth. That is spoiled. So the reason why the leaders are not showing concern is that some of them are the sponsor and they belong to this court too. Let me tell you, even when they belong to court, self they pursue the court. So we are tired. So now those one way don't even tired. Now they will even use more to achieve this aim. We are just waiting for a proper proposal to come in first. Then and then for appropriate approval. Then you see what is going to happen is all the state government officials are all caught, including the deputy governor. Stanley, you already know. No, I cannot accuse anybody of being a cultist until someone somewhere say he's a cultist and he believes and he has seen so and so person in the meetings. Yes, before I agree. Because there are some persons who are not even a member because they have this tie. They know how to run things, as the case may be. You know, people saying, he joined. No. It not necessarily me say, you must be a cult before you know how to run things. As a man. Say courtesan cannot end, brother. We can only convert the energy. If you fight courtesan, you will kill everyone. And some people on the court are only defending themselves. We can only help you. They channel the energy. That's all. I totally agree with you. Nobody's saying we should kill them for now, no. But there must be an ultimatum. Ultimatum given to everybody. Go and renounce and curb your. Don't worry. When it is done, when our strategy is enforced, you will see it. Even the courtists will be happy to accept it. Oh, Don Prince, thank you very much. Somebody saying, Judge Erosaki said, we cannot live freely in our town. Please, let's put an end to this old court, my brother. He said, we are minority in Nigeria and Biafra is rising. We need to educate our people because the youth that we protect our Benin Kingdom. That's true. The only thing that can help now is the blunt truth, regardless of political affiliation or whatever. That's just the fact. Joe Koje is a courtist too. Former personal assistant to governor. But see, let us not single individual out. When we've started implementing our proposal, anybody, be you anything, and if the person is identified and they refuse to follow the path of eradicating it, such a person will be made to face the full wrath of the law, no matter how highly placed that person will be. And if we are getting an approval to carry on our proposal, we must ask the governor, hope you will not interfere, you will not say, oh, bend this, see this person. Everybody should be given equal treatment. So, no, I know you, I don't know you. We want to put an end to a problem. All hands must be on deck. See about, I beg you, those streets can't. Please, I will not accept this kind of comment here. And I can't read that comment. Say, did you watch my viral video of courtist? Don Prince. No, I have not watched it. Please, kindly send it to me. True Talk. Prince J. Usareti. I'm grateful. This is no time for us to fight. This time for us to fight in the comment section. This time for us all to join our heads together. The likes of Don Martino, who is watching me now, is an academic gladiator and a good strategist. I know by the time we must have kickstart, Don Martino, you will be willing to give us an idea on how to address the problem that is affecting us all. 80% of the youth and big men are courtists. You are right. But there's a difference between being a courtist and doing courtism. There's a difference between functioning and being a court. Somebody can just join court to the part of your bum and you don't know. They work and all you might say me and say your bum. One or two now say it's that bum finish. He call it out and say no, it's not clear. Hey, you go say God. You go say I know they do again, you ought to stay. That one different from person will be say he join and it function. In fact, even they say more not agree, but they not let them follow our hand. More not agree. More not agree, more not let them follow our hand. More not let follow those men. Hey. Now those one will talk so. Now those one be the people. Not be who join way by say Igbe woman and not they do again. There are so many, so numerous. But those one will say you know they join again, you know they do again. Daughter, if what's happen, these other evil ones go see they find them to kill. So because of that, now you constantly say the rank common. So in fact, people when they make cuttings in the hot, they not they read 2020 for each zone. Don't they read 2020? Now they be the problem. So let me read this. Say, God bless you, Comrade Stanley Sadosa. I just prayed this work out. We are losing fathers and sons every day. That's true. This one say, please, we shouldn't be calling names or pointing finger to anyone. What we need to do is joining hands together. That's true. That's what I'm trying to explain to them. We cannot point finger to anyone for now. But when we have started executing our plans, and it is investigation reveals that such a person is a functional cultic member, and such a person refuse to accept within the ultimatum given, that person will be made to face the full wrath of the law, no matter how highly placed the person is. And the commissioner of police must be ready, because at the end of the day, the police will be the one to enforce. The police should not say, one woman will say, there's no woman picking Oga Police have been there for me now. We are coming with 2 million. you really collect 2 million, you return back that person to the society. If you don't, we're going to use protest to shut down the state CID and the office of the Commissioner of Police. Yes. You say you can't be in the state and you don't participate in the activity. That is the same thing. People who don't fed up because of the activities of those other ones. You consider they make, if they not come out, they'll come beat the first day. Yeah, so they'll get to the fraternize. So that is why those people, they make those things come. Those ones are supposed to be the target. When if you target those ones, you reduce those ones to rebels. They will give freedom to others who choose to free themselves. He said we all need local security in every area of Benin that will be supporting the police, and those men should be well trained. Yes, even if you need police, the police is enough. All you need is intelligent information. Now let's take an example. For a year now, when person sees somebody ask, they do courtesim activity, they'll say, not tell police. So if you tell police now, for you not be guy, whether you are supposed to assist the police to get and apprehend such person. Tomorrow when person die for that, they cry, oh man, oh this guy, this man way good. Oh. But you should have been able to stop the killing if you had reported the terror in your area to the police. So that's the truth. Please, if you have not shared, click on your share button. Yes, let me quickly use this opportunity to tell us all. The Sea of Oman will be resuming work on Tuesday officially. And by the power of God, on Friday upper week, from this Friday to Friday upper week, every of our clients will get their file numbers. Get all your file numbers, will get to you. Joshua Erabo, you are very experienced. He said, Baba, if you tell police, then go pay the person, and police go tell them, you are very right. You are very right. That is why the Commissioner of Police must be up and doing now. I totally agree with you, Joshua Erabo. That was a very wise. I've seen such an experience before. That's true. So please, please, please. And there is a message to our brothers who called me yesterday. We have already notified them. This is not about political issues. So both APC, PDP, ABGA, any party you belong to, you are going to be part of the process in addressing the current plague that is bedeviling Edo State. Please, somebody who is committing Oba, please, 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 don't drag the Oba into this discussion. He's a God King to the Beninese and to the people of Edo, which should, as a matter of urgency, give some respect to him. Rich Biggers Obey say the question is, we cannot continue like this. Let's make Edo a peaceful place to dwell in. Things can change. Absolutely. That's why I believe in one thing. Who can. Who can. We can. And we are going to address this problem by the power of our ubiquitous God. Somebody say many police are courtists in Edo State, bro. You cannot conclude. You cannot conclude. Please, if you have not clicked on your share and invite your friend. Click on your share button, please. If you have not clicked, 246 person watching. When you click on your share button, the video will automatically go viral. We have lost so many persons in Edo State. So many, so numerous to mention. Promising youth, would-be daughters would-be engineers, would-be town planners. So I think it is time for us to all come out to protect our youth and to protect our parents and mothers who have lost their kids in the cold hands of death as a result of occultic-related activities. It is time for us to act, and the time to act is now. So in respect to our work activities, as a Sea of Woman, we are, as I've earlier said, our work officially commenced 2021 on Tuesday. So for those who are here to give us their Sea of O application, please do. Now get Sea of O, now get land. That's the simple truth. And let me tell you, the NSAS and the jailbreak issue is one of the big problems now. Many of the terror is in the streets. They're in the street causing this kind of mayhem. So please, for those who have not given us their job, get yourself prepared. Give us your job. Now the CFO we are into land surveying, building plan design and construction, interlocking ties, POP. Any type of POP design, put it inside. Contact us. You will never regret commissioning Stanley Sadi Enterprise and carry out your job, your CFO application. But today we don't want to discuss about CFO. We only came to discuss about cultism and our efforts so far. And I believe now to 2-3 weeks time, our proposal will be ready. And when we are submitting that proposal, we are going to make it, even if we are not making it live. But as soon as we submit, we will still let Edo people know that we have submitted our proposal in respect to the cultism-related activities in Edo State. Thank you very much for listening to me. I remember humble self, your noble right activist, your friend, your loyalist, your brother, your boy. Comrade Stanley Sakuno. For those who are interested in the CFO application, because the truth is you might have a land, you say I get land because you get one paper. That paper you say you get to, on that person get on. On that person get on. That land may not be your land. Now when you work with that land, now you go know so now this 6 way the dragon. So why not distinguish yourself from the crowd? The only person who go feel say this land and my land come out there, now the person will get CFO. So get a CFO today. So this is my phone number 07036109939. This is my WhatsApp number 07036109939. 07036109939. WhatsApp number 08079. Mr. Johnson Osaks D. Milito. But sorry, I did not ignore your message. Please, sorry. Message me again. I will reply it with immediate effect. It's just that from the 20th till now, I have been so engaged from wedding anniversary to the youth period and now. So I believe we are going to commence from on Tuesday and we are going to work all through the year by the power of God. So please contact us. Recontact me again, and I promise not to use nonchalant or like a dialectical attitude to avoid your call. Who is that?
It's me. The food is ready.
Okay, I'm coming.
Daddy, the food is ready.
Okay, I'm coming. So that is it. Then I have another WhatsApp number. In case, because some persons are complaining that, comrade, we not see you for WhatsApp for this MTN. So I have another WhatsApp number. But don't also forget, I have this number 08079742172. 08079742172. Then let me show you, send you the new WhatsApp number. Making it to WhatsApp. Okay. 081 20 10 7155. 081 081 20 10 7155. Prince Austin Roland, is it food is ready? You? Okay, when I put here for waiting my small boy. No matter these children. Jari, the food is ready. He come like now say, now I want to go now because the food make me want to go. Maybe that one day, shall. Maybe that one day. So I don't know if you got to the I don't know if you got to the WhatsApp number 081 20 10 7155. That's my new WhatsApp number 081 20 10 7155. This my friend will always attack me. No, they let me rest. I do video yesterday. Everybody they salute me. This my friend still conquer the attack. He can't tell Austin, your own matter guy you. If like you dream about me, your attack, baka, boko, wake anywhere I face you, they pursue me here and there. Boss, I greet you, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, please go eat with your family. Thank you very much, thank you very much. Not be the food make me move, but my help are moving away. Have a lovely day. Take care of yourself. Osakwe of Woody. Please write me again now, Joshua Rabo, please. Thank you. Bye for now.